Hello and welcome to the February edition of Pork Talk. The British pig market has been facing some tougher times in recent months, with falling pig prices and higher feed costs pressuring margins. On top of this, there has been a lot of talk lately about reducing red meat consumption. So today, we're going to examine the latest consumption and export trends to see how demand for our pork is really faring. Looking at the British retail market, it seems that the volume of pig meat sold has actually been reasonable lately. Of course, these latest figures include the key festive trading period, and it seems that fresh pork in particular was one of the winners this year, recording noticeable volume growth without a drop in value. Strong promotions have reportedly helped achieve these sales. Processed meat, however, has not done so well, as we can see a generally declining trend across volume and value for bacon, sausages and hams. This has taken the shine off the decent performance from pork, meaning overall pig meat sold in similar volumes to the previous year, but with a 3% lower value. Nonetheless, this still means there is little evidence to suggest consumers are turning to plant-based diets in any significant numbers. But of course, it remains to be seen whether Veganuary has had any impact on sales during January. If we turn our attention to the export market now, it seems that demand from this area has been improving since last autumn. Volumes exported were 11% higher than in 2017 between August and November last year. China in particular has started taking higher volumes again, with trade almost doubling in October and November. Trade with the US has also picked up, increasing by around 70% in the second half of last year. This is particularly good news as the US is a high-value market for British pork. The average price of British pork exports was even a little higher than a year earlier levels last November, despite pig prices falling away at this time. Across 2018, offal exports were also generally increasing, though there was some fluctuation and prices did not hold up so well overall. Nonetheless, expanding offal exports continues to help maximise the value of each animal. The UK only exports a relatively small amount of processed pig meat products, such as bacon, ham and sausages, but these shipments also increased in 2018. As these are further processed, the average prices are higher and have helped support the value of the UK's pig meat exports. All in all, it seems that while there are challenges, there are also some positive glimmers from the demand side of things. Export prospects may further improve this year in light of China's ongoing struggle with African swine fever. And in Britain, we've had the latest round of the AHDB pork marketing campaign running in January to help support fresh pork sales. If you'd like to read more up-to-date information about the pig market in the UK, please visit the prices and stats section of the AHDB pork website.